Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and visible, and put the Thar's infotainment in pairing mode from the Bluetooth settings. Once done, turn the ignition to ACC or on so the system stays awake. You should disable other active Bluetooth connections on your phone so the car can find it quickly. Make sure you select Pair New Device on the Thar. This starts the handshake and broadcasts the car's Bluetooth name for you to choose on your phone. You now complete the exchange. On your phone, tap the Thar's Bluetooth name when it appears in the device list, and the car will display or request a PIN. Confirm the matching PIN on both the phone and the infotainment, and accept any permission prompts. Once paired, make sure to enable phone, contacts, and media access so calls and audio work. If the system asks to set this device as a priority, choose Yes so reconnections are automatic. This reduces manual steps every time you enter the vehicle. You finish by saving the device on the Thar as a priority or favorite so reconnection is automatic. Then test an outgoing call and play audio to verify phone book access and media streaming. Once confirmed, make subtle adjustments like volume or Bluetooth audio source on the head unit. If pairing fails or audio drops, try deleting older paired devices from the car, restart both phone and infotainment, and then reinitiate pairing. This reset resolves most conflicts. If problems persist, consult your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.